Hey, everyone. Are you tired of drowning in notes? I get it. Managing class notes, lecture recordings, and all those scribbles can be overwhelming. But what if I told you AI could change the game for note-taking? Yep, you heard that right. Today, let's dive into how AI-powered note summarization tools are revolutionizing the way students like you and me handle our notes. First off, let's talk about why this is a big deal. Traditional note-taking, it's time-consuming and, let's be honest, not always the most efficient. You spend hours writing or typing, then more hours trying to distill the important points. It's a grind. Enter AI. These advanced tools use artificial intelligence to scan through your notes, audio recordings, and even PDFs to pull out the key information. Imagine this. You upload your class lecture recording, and within minutes, you get a concise summary of the main points and important concepts. Sounds like a dream, right? So how does it work? AI algorithms are designed to recognize patterns and identify critical information. They analyze the text or audio, understand the context, and produce a summarized version that captures the essence of your notes. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready to help you study smarter, not harder. Let's look at some of the popular AI tools out there. Tools like Otter.ai, Notion, and even Microsoft OneNote are incorporating AI capabilities. They can transcribe spoken words into text, highlight key points, and even organize your notes for easy access. These tools aren't just for note-taking. They're transforming the entire study experience, but it's not just about saving time. AI note summarization tools help improve comprehension and retention. By focusing on the main ideas and filtering out the fluff, you're left with a clearer understanding of the material. Plus, you can quickly review these summaries before exams, making your study sessions more effective. Now, you might be wondering, are these tools reliable? The short answer is yes. While they're not perfect and might occasionally miss a detail, they're incredibly accurate and continuously improving. The more you use them, the better they get at understanding your preferences and needs. Alright, so what's the takeaway here? AI-powered note summarization tools are a game changer for students. They save you time, boost your productivity, and make studying less stressful. If you haven't tried one yet, give it a shot. You might just find it's the edge you need to ace your classes. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making your student life easier.